afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2015 government passed question. Question number 25 says, one of the agencies introduced by military to promote national integration was dash. One of the agencies introduced to promote national integration was dash. Now, what we talk of national integration means peace or coexistence in Nigeria. So option A say National Youth Service Corps, B say Directorate of Mass Mobilization for Social and Economic Reconstruction, C. Directorate of Food, Roads and Rural Infrastructure, D. National Directorate for Employment. The agency that was established by military government to promote national integration was NYSC, that is National Youth Service Corps. So that is the program established. This happened immediately after the Nigerian Civil War. So option A is correct. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe for more videos.